வணக்கம் சினை ஷட்டர்ஸ் வியூவர்ஸ்க்கு உங்கள் பூஜா பேசுகிறேன். ஐம் வெரி வெரி ஹாப்பி, very excited to be here, to be celebrating Uttama Villain. We're releasing on May 1st. It's coming to all the theatres. This is a film that is memorable. It's a classic. It's a very important film to Indian cinema. Because of the caliber, the screenplay, the characterization, the story that's being told is a simple story about a man and his journey, and that's something that you'll really enjoy to see. And then there's bits and parts and pieces that will resonate with all walks of life, whether you're a child or whether you're an adult or you're a grandmother, grandfather, or great grandmother. Your party will like it, your appa will like it, your akka will like it, chachi, tauji, everyone will love this film. There's something in it for everyone, and for me especially, this has been a memorable experience because this was the first time I got to dance with a master, with Kamal sir. The very fact that I had the opportunity to share the screen with someone of his caliber is truly something that I'm very humbled about, and very something, and also I can't say it in words, that I can't believe that I had the opportunity of working with him. And as a dancer, you always want to dance with people who love dance and who can portray different sort of angles and do all kinds of different moves. He can do all kinds of dance. So it's very, very exciting for me. And the one song that's very special to me is the Kadalam Kadavul Mun, Kangalam Kovilil, Dehathin Dahame, Aradhane, Aradhane. That is very, very close to my heart because we danced in classical, Indian classical moves along with contemporary dance and ballet. And the Atakali dance group from Bangalore, hats off to them. They've really interpreted dance to be more of an art and picturesque way of moving your body. It's not just about movements and expressions. It's actually about the feeling and the electric shocks that you can bring through your body. We rehearsed for about 20 days for this film. I rehearsed about 10 hours a day for 20 days. And then Kamal sir also came on and rehearsed with me, and I said, "What? Sir, why do you need to rehearse? You've been dancing for so long and you're a dance master." And he's like, no, I'll rehearse as well. And I said, okay. Then I didn't say anything more. And you can see that dance rehearsals make a huge difference. The dance looks quite easy, but it's actually very, very difficult to perform those dance moves. So I think we try to do our best. I tried to do my best, and hopefully you'll all enjoy the song and enjoy the film because we've really given our heart and soul to this movie. So thank you. Vanakkam, Nandri.
Thank you.